Greetings. Haukola means hello friend in Oglala. My name is Lynn Rapp. I've had the privilege of being on this board probably going on 10,000 years. At least that's how it feels. And it is a miracle. You know, it's so funny, I just want to say, the definition of joy is a lot of things. But to me, joy is seeing this. Because in 1973 at Wounded Knee, we didn't see this. So congratulations to all of you. And I want to say that this room is proof that our ancestors came and made us warriors, and that's where we are. The word, thank you. The word we say now is grateful. The gift of each other and of taking care of our mother. And for those of you who are here for environmental issues, the prayer truly goes to you. And I'd like to, as I did last year, say Mitakui Oyasan. It means we are all related. So say hello to your neighbor and get a name. And so I say to you, grandfather, great mystery, go to Koja. Home is where we wish we were, but someone is caring for our children. We are thankful because we are healthy and are able to care for those who are sick. And the interjection is there are 2 doctors here that I want you to be sure to meet because we have a miracle. And the last thing I would like to say is those people who had the courage to do this, for that we pray. Grandfather, we give you this moment of silence so in our heart we can see what is most important. Filamaya, Foksha.